Hi everyone, I'm Faye and you're watching my Crypto Fairy channel. I'm going to share my trading strategy which made me $4,125 in just 4 hours. This strategy is so simple that even fresh traders can use it. Watch the video till the end since you can do the same thing and start making profits today. I'll describe each strategy step and show you an example on how to use it. Other traders won't tell you about it for sure. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In this video description you can find a link to my Telegram channel where I publish my daily trading signals for you to earn together with me. You now see reviews of my subscribers on your screens. They've already reached a consistent profit thanks to signals we trade on. Join my Telegram channel and get a stable profit on crypto trading. And now let's move on to the strategy. I call this strategy a reversal one. And right now I'll tell you why I call it like that and how to trade it. Let's go! First, I suggest figuring out how to trade using a reversal strategy. The point of the strategy is quite simple. The price goes up, reaches this level, a downtrend appears, and at this moment we go short. The price goes down, we close the trade and get our profit. And now let's discuss some practical points. So, first of all, you need to look at the higher time frame to make a decision on the lower one. Any time frame from 1 hour and up is called a higher time frame. What does this chart mean? There's an upward movement that broke structure. In other words, this high was updated, then the upward movement started. A support area formed at this point before the break of structure. In this case, it was an order block. In order to open all positions, you need to wait for the moment when the price returns to this area. And don't do it too soon, otherwise it won't work. It is very important that before approaching this area, local liquidity for sale was collected, and there was a test of our area of interest on the higher time frame. Pay attention to both of these points. There are two options for entering a trade. The first one involves an increased risk. The thing is that we open a trade exactly when the price touches the support area. Here I've outlined how the price should behave on the lower time frame. In this higher time frame area, the price should form a situation similar to one on the lower time frame. I'm talking about liquidity collected from this low, a break of structure and support area being formed. In this case, it can be either an imbalance or an order block. It is necessary to wait for a moment when the same situation forms on the lower time frame as you see on your screens now. I'm in a break of structure and a return to the support area. After that, you need to enter. A stop loss should be at the nearest low, while I take profit on the nearest liquidity pole. This is the first option. The second entry point is less risky. I'll explain it. On the higher time frame, we need to wait for a break of structure of the uptrend, which has touched the support area. This is the prerequisite. After that, there is a break of structure and a return to new support area, either to an imbalance or to an order block. When the price returns to the support area on the higher time frame, you need to find the same situation on the lower one. It involves liquidity collected from the local low, a break of structure, a new order block, or an imbalance being formed. That's the point for entering a trade. It looks this way. A stop loss should be at the nearest low, while I take profit on the nearest liquidity pool. Got it? If yes, let's move on. This is exactly what my strategy is about. And now it's time to see how I tried it in practice and got the amount others would have made in a week's time. Before opening a trade, I went to a 1 hour time frame. There was a downward movement on the chart, then an order block formed, meaning there was liquidity withdrawal from this low, followed by a change in the price movement direction. There was a break of structure here, and the chart went up. It's during this growth when an imbalance formed. Here, in front of it, a minimum formed as well. Behind it, there was liquidity in the form of stops. In such situations, the market maker seeks to take these stop losses for a subsequent uptrend. On the chart, I saw how the price moved to the imbalance and updated this low. It collected liquidity from this low, the closest one to the price, and from this one, which was right before the imbalance. After that, we got a candlestick you see on the chart. At this point, the buyer clearly intended to drive the price further up. I entered the trade on a 5-minute time frame. In this case, the situation on the higher time frame was the same as on the lower one. There was a downtrend, a collection of liquidity from the nearest low, a test of the support area, a break of structure, a powerful impulse movement, and an imbalance. Just perfect. And this imbalance was exactly the place where I entered the trade from. I set the limit at the start of the imbalance, put the stop loss under the nearest low, and take profit for the nearest high. It's here. Everything was ready to make big money. And of course, before entering the trade, I sent this signal to my Telegram channel. To join my VIP community and get signals, just contact me. The link is in the description. After that, I went to Bybit, an exchange where I trade. I chose 20 times leverage and an isolated margin. I set up the order price at 26,707. The take profit at 27,227, and the stop loss was 26,500. After checking all the details, I opened a trade. As you can see, analysis and entry point don't take too much time. The more you trade on the exchange, the faster you analyze the chart. You'll immediately start seeing through the chart, and your analysis will bring the highest profit on each trade. The main thing is never give up and constantly improve your skills. Let's find out what happened after opening the trade. The price almost immediately touched the limit order, and the impulse movement executed by take profit. It was a perfect situation. My gain was $4,125 in just 4 hours. Look at these numbers. You can see for yourself. $4,125 in just 4 hours. Others work for months on end to get these amounts. This is a great result. By the way, my Telegram channel subscribers profited from this trade as well, and all thanks to my signals. Here are the results. My fairy-like, I hope you understand what an easy strategy it is. I bet it's a godsend. You should use it now. Friends, now you know a little more about trading. Never quit and keep on learning all aspects of the business. Analyze strategies of successful traders, watch news that affects the exchange charts, and experiment with strategies. Over time, you'll definitely find your own way of successful trading and form a unique strategy. Yet, if you don't have your own strategy of getting a stable profit, I can help you with that. Go to the description, follow the link to my Telegram channel, and find strategies for making stable profits. Most of my subscribers earn more than $2,000 a week. They regularly make money with me. Before opening each trade, I send signals to the channel, as you noticed in this video. In addition, in each video, I show strategies with the biggest profits so that each of you can repeat them. You no longer need to spend hours on searching for the right information or understanding what is going on. My channel has all information to get $2,000 every week. As soon as you study the information on my channel, sign up on the Bybit exchange and use my signals for successful trades. I've been only trading on Bybit for a long time, and I always feel good about my choice. This is a reliable platform that ensures the safety of your deposits. It is also very convenient for both fresh traders and professionals thanks to its easy-to-use interface. Signing up is free of charge. The link to registration is in the video description. My fairy-like, you have everything to start earning: a Telegram channel where I publish signals with the biggest profits, as well as a reliable exchange where everyone can earn effectively. And these are perfect tools for success. Take them and make money right now. Just remember about a reasonable approach. Confidence in your own success is great, but never let emotions get over you. The difference between a professional and an amateur is that the first one always thinks ahead, calculates opinions, and takes into account situation analysis rather than emotions or excitement. Go to the exchange website only when you're calm and cool. Excessive emotions will get in your way, so stay calm during the entire trade. Always keep it in mind. Enjoying this video? Please like it and subscribe to the channel so not to miss important information that will help you increase your profits and feel even more confident on the exchange. This is Faye. See you in the next videos.